Before joining the CAP program, I expected a well-structured classroom-style leadership program with access to experienced mentors. But I found out it was much more transformative. The best way I can explain it is it was an immersive journey that exposed us to real-world leadership tools. And this completely challenged my assumptions. So CAP made me realize that leadership is not all about making decisions, but rather it's about striking a balance between your organization's vision and the resources. So these two elements will have to align so that it makes your goal much more practical. The sessions that we had with the CEOs exposed us to complex trade-offs that these leaders undertake, especially in this fast-changing world. So a smart leader will have to adapt. So the mentorship session is an integral part of the CAP program. And hearing candid stories from seasoned leaders actually made me internalize lessons on values-driven leadership. Personally, it has given me much more confidence in my decision-making, and it has made me more self-aware. I would highlight it as transformational. My advice is this program is not for professionals who just want to lead, but rather for someone who wants to stretch, reflect, and lead with purpose. So the business simulation was very intense. It was something new to us. It's a program that has lots of variables which are interlinked, and that makes it even more complex. It took us a bit of time to familiarize and know the rules of the game, but in the end, it's a tool that helped us to make data-driven decisions, executive decisions. It helped us understand the importance of communicating between various departments, and I think it's a fantastic tool that emulates the real business world.